Namaskaram. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. And dear students, we are here for yoga and physical activity session. And in this session, today we will do some micro yogic practice, some yogic asana and pranayama yogic abhyas. So let's come for today's session. First, we will start our session with Vedic mantra, Gayatri mantra and Mahamrityunjay mantra. Sit any comfortable position. Normally fold your legs. Sit on Saralasana. Back straight. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Normalize your breathings. Eyes closed. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Start Gayatri mantra together. भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. महामृत्युंजय मंत्र. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनात् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात्. Rub your both palms and make a heel and place your both palm on your eyes, your face muscle, and slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm with a gentle smile. Today we will do micro yogic practice in sitting position. Exhale, touch your chin to the chest with exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale 2, exhale down. Inhale 3, exhale down. Inhale 4, exhale down. Inhale 6, exhale down. Inhale 7, exhale down. Inhale 8, exhale down. Inhale 9, exhale down. Inhale 10, exhale down. Inhale, come slowly to the center. And exhale, twist your head to left side, look back from left shoulder with exhalation. And hold, don't keep jerk on your neck. Inhale, come slowly to the center. And exhale, twist your head to right side and look back from right side. With exhale, inhale, come slowly to the center. And exhale, bend your head, touch your chin to the chest and go for head rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and come back. And raise your left hand above the head. Place your left palm left side of the head like this. And inhale, press your head towards the right side. Press and feel the stretch on your cervical spine. Press and exhale slowly. And same with the opposite side. Raise your right hand above the head and place your right palm right side of the head. And inhale, press your head toward the left side and hold. And exhale, slowly release. Both hands, finger interlock and place both palms on your forehead like this. And inhale, press to back side. Your forehead, press and release. Place both hands behind your head and interlock your finger and inhale, press to forward and release. This micro yogic practice very good for your neck pain and your shoulder pain, and also effective yogic practice in cervical spondylitis. Okay. Next, we will do some stretchings. Inhale, raise the arms from side, interlock your finger, palm turn upward. With inhale, stretch up. Deep inhale and stretch up. And exhale, palm down, head down. Inhale again, raise the arms up, interlock your finger, palm turn upward and stretch up. With inhale, full stretch up, bicep touching to the earth. And exhale, palm down, head down. And next, both arms in line with the shoulder and catch your left leg kneecap with your right hand and your left hand over the head and exhale, bend to right side and look up, elbow straight and look up and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, slowly come back. Again, raise the arms in line with the shoulder and same with opposite side. Catch your right leg kneecap with your left hand and your right hand over the head. Bicep touching to the ear and exhale, bend to left and look up. Hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Back, slowly come back. And next, place both palms behind your back, half feet away from your back, and inhale, make arch on your thoracic spine and chest up and drop your neck back and hold, elbow straight and hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale. And exhale. Catch your both kneecap. And squeeze your belly and pop up your thoracic spine. And inhale again. Place both palms behind your back, half feet away from your back. Drop your neck back, chest up, make arch on your thoracic spine. And exhale. Release. Both hands behind your back, interlock your fingers, palm turn outside and exhale, bend forward. Touch your forehead on the ground and bring your hands towards the ground. And hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. And come back. Good. And we will do and extend the legs in front and flex your toes back straight, back fully straight, and flex your toes back and inhale, flex back, exhale, flex forward, and inhale, flex back, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, flex your toes and go for ankle movement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. And next, toes together, feet together, and interlock your toes with your fingers. Back straight, and go for butterfly. Swing your legs up and down. Next, both hands behind your back, interlock your fingers, palm turn outside, and exhale, bend forward, touch your forehead on the ground, and hold 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, slowly come back. Release. Next, place both palms behind your back from left side, half feet away from your back. And exhale, touch your forehead on the ground, elbow. Come back. Same with opposite side. Exhale and hold. And release. Sit on Vajrasana. To standing position, go for standing yogic asana. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. And next, legs apart. We will do Vakshaprasara yogic asana. 1 to 1.5 feet gap in between your legs. And exhale, bend forward, palms touching each other, come to Samkona Asana, palms touching each other, and deep inhale, bring your hands above the head in Y shape, and arch back, and exhale, come to Samkona Asana, with exhale, palms touching each other, and inhale, arch back as much as you can. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and and release the hands from side. Take few normal breaths. And next, spread your legs. 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs. And next, we will do Utthita Parsava Konasana. Place both hands on your waist. First, your left feet left side and your right feet 45 degree. And raise the arms in line with the shoulder. And exhale, bend your left knee. Slightly bend. And your left thigh parallel to the ground. And your left leg position 90 degree angle. Like this. And place your left palm beside your left feet. Like this. And your right leg fully extend towards the right. And raise your right arm above the head. Your right bicep touching to the ear. And look up. And hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, release. Same with opposite leg. Your left feet 45 degree in and your right feet foot 90 degree outward. Like this. Raise the arms in line with the shoulder and slightly bend your right knee. And your right thigh parallel to the ground and your right leg position 90 degree. Like this. And place your right palm beside your right feet and your left arm over the head, your left bicep touching to the ear, and look up and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back and release. Take few normal breaths. And next we will do again, spread your legs, 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs. And first turn your left feet left side. Place your both hands behind your back, interlock your finger, palm turn outside, and go for Paravartita Uttanasana. Inhale and exhale, bend forward, and hold for option 1. Hold, exhale, more exhale, exhale, touch your forehead to your knee and go. Extend your hands towards the ground. Inhale, come back. Slowly come back. Same with the opposite leg. Your left feet 45 degree and your right feet 90 degree out. And turn your trunk to right side and both hands behind your back. Interlock your finger, palm turning outside. And inhale and exhale. Slightly bend forward, and hold slightly. Option 1. Exhale, more exhale, go for option 2. Inhale, come back and release. Release the hands, release the hands. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. Sit on the mat. Sitting position. Sit on Vajrasana. Extend the legs in front. And next, lay down on your back. Take left turn. We will do Uttana Padasana. Both palms closer to your thighs. And inhale, lift your right leg up in 30 degree. Flex your toes and hold for 10 seconds. Release. Same with opposite leg. Inhale, lift your left leg in 30 degree, flex your toe and hold for 10 seconds. And release. And next, lift your both legs in 30 degree, lift up, flex your toes and hold here for 30 seconds. Tantrasana. Bend your both knees and both heels closer to your buttocks and catch your right heel with your right hand, catch your left heel with your left hand. And go for Tantrasana. Inhale, lift your middle part of the body, lift up as much as you can lift up. Your whole body weight on your shoulder and your feet. Your middle part of the body lift up. Your waist region, your chest region, your thighs, your buttocks should off the ground. And hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale, slowly release. Release the legs. Next, we will do Pavanamuktasana. First, with your right leg, bend your right leg, heel closer to buttock, your right knee closer to buttock, and catch your right kneecap with your both hands, with interlock your fingers, and inhale, press your right thigh into the chest with inhale,
And exhale, lift your head up and touch your nose to your right knee. And hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, slowly. Same with opposite leg. Bend your left leg closer to the gut. Catch your left kneecap and press into the chest. Inhale and exhale, head up and touch your nose to your left knee. And hold 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, slowly release. With both legs, bend your both legs, heels closer to the buttocks. Catch your knees with your hands. And inhale, press into the chest. And exhale, touch your nose to your knees. And hold 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, slowly release and relax. Take left turn.
Sit on the mat. Sit any meditative posture. Both hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes closed. First, normalize your breathing. Next, we will do प्राणायाम यौगिक अभ्यास। प्राणायामों का अभ्यास किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, सरल आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा, कंधे, कमर व सीधी। नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रीथिंग्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह सामान्य। फर्स्ट प्राणायाम का अभ्यास भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम। हम इस अभ्यास को 3 गतियों से करेंगे। प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से, तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। कमर गर्दन सीधी। फर्स्ट सरल गति से। इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल। यहीं से मध्यम गति का अभ्यास रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास। यहीं से तीव्र गति का अभ्यास दोनों हाथों से घुटनों पर इस प्रकार रखें, दोनों हथेलियों को, और हाथों के सपोर्ट से इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति का अभ्यास करेंगे भस्त्रिका का। कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें अभ्यास तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व। हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और भी कार्डियक से संबंधित रोगी हैं, वे इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें, वे सरल गति से इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, वह भी सावधानी। चलिए प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास, कुछ देर मौन रहे, श्वासों का प्रवाह समान। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास कपालभाति प्राणायाम का होगा। स्टोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और मेरुदंड के समीप ले जाने का प्रयत्न करना है। पूर्ण अभ्यास आपके रेचक क्रिया और पेट के अंदर धक्का देने के साथ होगी। तो इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखें कि आपका स्टमक भी अंदर जाएगा, साथ में आपको एक फोर्सफुली एक्सेल भी करना है स्टमक अंदर, और लंग की हेल्प से आपको पूरा धक्का देके श्वास बाहर निकालना। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। फर्स्ट 20 एंड 30 एंड 40 के स्ट्रोक्स। Relax. Normalize your breathing. Next, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Make Pranav Mudra with your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from left. And exhale to right. Inhale again from right and exhale to left. It's complete one cycle. एक चक्र पूर्ण। इसी प्रकार आपको 5 चक्रों का अभ्यास और चलिए प्रारंभ करें। रिलैक्स। टेंशन, हाइपरटेंशन, एंजाइटी, अनिद्रा, मानसिक चेतना को बढ़ाने वाला, स्मरण शक्ति को बढ़ाने वाला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम, रक्त शुद्धि के लिए बहुत ही उत्तम अभ्यास, ENT केयर का अभ्यास। इसको अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या में सम्मिलित करें। नेक्स्ट, भ्रामरिक उद्गीत का अभ्यास। हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा बनाएं, अंगूठे से कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरें और मुंह का उच्चारण करना है। होठों को आपस में मिलाए रखें, दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं, जीवा को दांतों से पीछे रखें, दांतों में ना मिलाएं। 3 बार इस अभ्यास को करें और वापस आंख बंद कर ध्यान। कुछ देर मौन ही रहे। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणव उच्चारण होगा। औ का आकार मकार उकार, नाभि और कंठ से प्रारंभ करें, नाभि से और कंठ प्रदेश की ओर ले जाएं। ओम का उच्चारण। ओंकार से उत्पन्न उस दिव्य ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। अनुभव करें कि आपका अंतःकरण शुद्ध हो रहा है और आसपास का वातावरण भी ऊर्जान्वित और शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों का आपस में मिला और तेजी से रखें। हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को आंखों पर चेहरे पर और तेज तलाव को आंखों को खोलते हुए मत। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।